In this video, I'm going to show you how to upload files to Google Drive quickly and easily, even if you've never used it before. Google Drive is one of the best ways to store your files online, keep them organized, and access them from any device. Whether you want to back up documents, photos, videos, or school files, this simple process will get it done in just a few clicks. If this tutorial helps you, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech guides. Let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to drive.google.com. Then log into your Google Drive account. If you're already signed in to Google, you may be taken straight to your Drive home screen. Once you're in, look at the left side of the screen and find the New button. This is where Google Drive lets you create folders, upload files, and add new content. Click on New to open the upload options. From the menu that appears, click File Upload. This tells Google Drive that you want to upload a file from your computer or device rather than creating something new inside Drive. Next, a file picker window will open. Now choose the file you want to upload. You can select a document, image, PDF, video, or almost any other supported file type. Once you've found the file, click it, then press Open or Choose, depending on your device. After that, Google Drive will begin uploading your file automatically. You may see a progress indicator while it uploads, especially if the file is large or your internet connection is slower. Just wait for the upload to finish. When it's done, click on My Drive to view your uploaded file inside your main storage area. If needed, you can also move it into a folder, rename it, or share it with other people later on. And that's it. Your file is now safely uploaded to Google Drive. You can come back to it anytime, from any device, as long as you're signed into your account. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.